Welcome to Cooking with Hilda. Today we are gonna make a super healthy and delicious carrot soup. Perfect for this weather, but also perfect for our bodies because carrots are wonderful for our skin, our eyes, our hearts, and even helps our body to clean from all those toxins that we accumulate over time. This recipe has a secret ingredient that is gonna help our carrot soup to be super creamy and delicious. So let's make it. Now we need carrots, of course. Fresh, delicious, crunchy carrots. The fresher your carrots are, the better flavor your delicious soup is gonna have. So choose your carrot, and you can even use a weight scale to be very exact in the 4 pounds of carrots that we're gonna use to make this soup. You will need garlic, onion, and this is the secret ingredient, leek. Don't worry if you don't personally like the flavor of the leek, because at the end of the procedure and when you taste your carrot soup, you're not going to be able to taste the flavor of the leek because it's subtle and we're going to use a small amount of it. The leek is going to give us that body and creaminess that we need when making our carrot soup. Sometimes when you try carrot soup, they're not there. And this is what it means, a little portion of the leek. Now let's saute these ingredients. A little butter, and you can add a little bit of oil to prevent the butter to burn. And add the onion, the garlic, also the leek, and on the carrots. Cook over medium heat until they're tender. Now cover your carrots with water or homemade chicken broth. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Cover and let it simmer for around 15 more minutes until very tender. And we wait for the carrots to cool down a little bit. And we blend it all with a little bit of the water from the carrots. Now I like to add, in this blending procedure, I like to add a little bit more of butter and a little bit of cream. Now, look at this beautiful color and delicious texture we get in this carrot soup. Perfect for this weather. It's cozy and delicious and yummy and very healthy. Thank you guys for being one more time here with me in Cooking with Hilda. And if you like this video and found value in it, please give it a thumbs up. See you guys next time.